No, I recently had a conversation with a patient this week, and he was explaining how happy he is with Modern Family Dental Care. He was saying how professional we are and how we don't try to upsell much of anything. And there's no pressure involved when it comes to our practice. You see, the thing is, that's not my philosophy, that's not our philosophy. What we do is we provide you with the information to allow you to make a decision. We make suggestions based on medical practice, facts, science. We will then, based upon our experiences, recommend and suggest the best course of treatment and even lay out different options. I can't make a decision for you. You have to own your decision. You have to own your own health. I'm here to assist you any way we can, any way I can. And I do wanna help you out. I wanna be your dental professional of choice. But you have to realize, I'm not gonna force you to make a decision. I can't make a decision for you no matter what you may say. I can never make a decision for any patient, but I can't make it for you. I will merely suggest the best course of treatment, and it's up to you to take action and decide what's best for you. So that's my philosophy here at Modern Family Dental Care. Now, we aim to create beautiful, confident, healthy smiles for everyone, to enhance, transform, and save lives. That's what we want to do. We want to do best for you. That's our core value number one. So hey, if this sounds like a place for you and we can take care of your needs, don't want to be upsold, have a professional environment, Modern Family Dental Care is a place for you. Look below in the links. You can schedule an appointment online. You can call our offices. We have many offices we can assist you at. We do 95% of our procedures in office. Convenience. When one office is booked, we got another office for you. Many different skilled providers. But ultimately, we want to make sure we are that dental practice of choice in Charlotte. So give us a call. We look forward to meeting you.